Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If your iPhone battery is suddenly draining fast after updating to iOS 26, you are not alone. Every major update introduces powerful new features, but it also quietly turns on settings that consume battery in the background. The good news: you don't need a new battery. You just need to change a few settings right now. First, go to Settings and check Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to constantly update even when you're not using them. While it sounds useful, it drains power all day long. Turn it off completely, or at least disable it for apps like social media, shopping, and games. You'll instantly reduce hidden battery usage. Next, head to Privacy and Location Services. Many apps are tracking your location, always. That means GPS is running in the background 24/7. Change most apps to while using the app. Location tracking is one of the biggest battery killers, and adjusting this alone can dramatically improve battery life. Now check display settings. If your brightness is too high or auto brightness is off, your screen is consuming unnecessary power. Enable auto brightness and reduce the white point slightly. Also turn off raise to wake if you don't really need it. Your display is the biggest battery consumer on your iPhone. Another hidden drain in iOS 26 is push notifications. Every time your phone lights up, connects to servers, and vibrates, it uses energy. Go to Notifications and disable alerts for apps that are not essential. Fewer notifications mean less screen wake-ups and better battery performance. Don't forget about system services. In Location Services, scroll down to System Services and disable options like iPhone Analytics and Significant Locations if you don't use them. These features constantly run in the background collecting data. Finally, enable low power mode when your battery drops below 40%, not 20%. Most people wait too long. Low power mode limits background activity and visual effects, helping your battery last significantly longer throughout the day. iOS 26 is powerful, but power efficiency depends on how you configure it. Make these changes today, and you'll notice your battery lasting hours longer. Before you blame the update, optimize your settings first. Your battery life is in your control. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.